This young man came to church to pray and find his junior brother crying and praying in the church. This got him confused and he started questioning himself. Who is him not to pray to God when his own junior brother is praying? But if I may ask, what is actually bothering this boy at this age that warrants all this crying and praying to God? What exactly does he want God to do for him? This is a deep question, but nevertheless, God deserves your praise and prayer every time. Watch this video now and make sure you share this video. Say your opinion in the comment section. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. Please do well to like this video.
I came to church to pray. I saw my younger brother praying and crying. Can you hear that?